The Multiscanner i700 OneStep makes stud finding fast and simple. The i700 uses patented center vision technology to find the center of studs. The ultra-bright display screen indicates direction, edges, and center of both wood and metal studs and joists. The tool has two stud scanning modes, for regular walls with one layer of drywall and for walls with two layers. There are also modes for dedicated metal and AC electrical scanning. The i700 features a signal strength indicator which helps distinguish between shallow and deep targets, a built-in erasable marker, and wire warning detection to warn you of live, unshielded AC wires behind the wall. Here's how to use it. If scanning for studs or joists, switch the tool to stud scan mode. Press your Multiscanner i700 OneStep against the wall to turn it on. The word stud on the display confirms calibration. Slide it along the wall. As you approach a stud, when the tool is over either edge of the stud, the edge icon will be shown. The center of the stud will be indicated by the center icon, an audio tone, and the spotlight pointing system. Mark the center of the stud. Mark your target by pressing down on the Mark button. Extra marker tips are stored under the battery in the back of the tool. If you happen to start scanning over a stud and move away, the unit will self-correct and calibrate again on its own. An arrow on the display will indicate the direction of the stud. If you have problems finding any studs, or if you know you are scanning through material thicker than 3/4 of an inch, switch the tool to high sensitivity mode by pressing it against the wall 2 times. The word stud will flash to indicate the tool is in high sensitivity mode. Slide the tool to find studs. The center of deep studs will be indicated by the 4 middle bars. To find metal, switch the tool to metal scan mode. To calibrate for maximum sensitivity, pull the scanning head back to turn the tool on while holding it away from the surface to be scanned. As the unit approaches metal, the bars on the display will come together. Simply mark where you first get the strongest reading, reverse direction, and mark where the tool again shows the strongest reading. To narrow the results, place the tool on the wall near one of the marks. Turning the tool on closer to the metal target will recalibrate the tool to give you more accurate results. Scan the area and mark the edges of the strong signal just like last time. You'll get a smaller zone with the target still in the middle. You can do this repeatedly to further refine the search results. To confirm the location of a metal target such as a pipe, scan vertically. The tool should indicate a constant strong signal as you run along the pipe. To scan for unshielded electrical wires, switch the tool to AC scan mode. Place the tool on the wall to turn it on. Scan for the AC wire. Mark the edges of the strongest results. Reverse direction, and again mark the edges of the strongest results. Turn the tool off and then back on closer to one of the marks and scan again for better results. The wire warning indicator alerts you to the presence of unshielded live AC wire in the vicinity of your scan. This feature is always on in stud scan and metal scan modes. Extra caution should always be taken in the presence of electricity.